Hey guys, so this is the shape of the earring that I'm making today. It's a hard, like an open heart shape, and I actually drew it out. It took me several times, but this is like the finished product right here. It's very pretty. These are actually already sold. They sold out like as soon as I put them up on my page. But this is what you're gonna use. You're gonna need some 28 gauge wire, 20 gauge wire for the base of the heart, and you're gonna need some coiling, which is just wire just wrapped around. You'll see right now. I'll show you a better look of it right now. And you're gonna need some beads. I used 3 pearls, 4 6 millimeter beads. I used purple beads, and I used 4 2 millimeter beads, and 4 gold plated beads, which are the little gold ones that you're seeing there. So you're just gonna add all of this in that exact same order onto the wire once you wrap it to the base. And you're just gonna wrap the purple beads with the gold bead around the base. Then you're gonna add your pearl. The pearl's always gonna go together because it's a little bigger. And you're gonna keep on doing the same thing with your purple beads, just wrapping them. There's no neat way of doing this. You just do what you want, what you like, how you like it to come out. It's totally up to you. But this is just the way that I made it. So you're gonna keep wrapping, add your pearl. These are freshwater pearls, so they're really pretty. And then we get to the end. Once we get to the end, we do not cut the wire. We add the coiling into the wire, but you want to stretch it a little bit, like open it up a bit, so you can have like this little cute detail over your earring. Once it's nice and open, we're just gonna like go ahead and add it into the wire, and we're gonna coil it around everything. So we're gonna add it around the purple beads. Just wrap it around the pearl too. And we're just simply going to keep on doing this until we get all the way to the top of the earring. So there we're just coiling it. And once you get here, we're going to have a little bit of excess. And you just want to go ahead and pull it up so you can have the wire. So you won't trim the wire that's in between the coiling. So you're just going to cut that. And I actually need some new wire cutters. These already had them for years already. So yeah, you just cut the coiling off and you tuck that down, and you're just going to keep on coiling like around 3-4 times around the base so you have it like nice and secure. Cut the excess, and you're going to just apply some pressure to it. And there you have your earrings. I hope you guys like them. And you could also have them in many other colors. It doesn't have to be purple. I just like the color purple a lot. So yeah, there you have it. And thanks for watching. Bye. So I just